Special thanks to our friends at this company who were nice enough to send us this wallet that is also good for coins. Open it up. Look at that presentation. So for the box, love it. Little wrapper with the company logo all over it. And look at that, nice leather feel. Got a little company logo G there. And then back here is where your coins would go. Now this is actually a pop-up wallet. So through this little contraption here, you'd be able to have it pop up your cards that are down in here. Look at that, wow. So you could fit cash down in here for the 4 people who still carry cash. Got a nice little slot for your ID. And then this all folds up, buttons up, allows you to keep your coins back here under this nice zipper, and then lastly all of your cards would go down in here. So you'd slide like a card like this down in there, and then see how that works? So with your card down in, just press your button and boom, card pops out. You're able to take the card, and you can put more than one card in here. You can put a couple of cards in here and they all work the same way. Like it's just down in there and slides right out. Essentially though, that should do it for this pop-up wallet with coin holder. Love how thin that it is, nice, compact, and feels pretty secure having that nice button there and all of your cards down in there to pop up whenever you need them. Thanks again to this company who was nice enough to send this to me to unbox and show you. Thank you all for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Deuces.